Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Abzorb 2010 by New Balance in collaboration with Japanese streetwear brand WTAPS in the Agave green colorway. These were released on the 10th of October for the retail price of £160 here in the UK. I picked these up from N London store, and it comes in a grey New Balance and WTAPS branded box. The shoes come wrapped in white and grey branded paper with an extra set of green laces. I like the clean minimal design, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. WTAPS brings their signature utilitarian design to the Abzorb 2010, featuring a military-inspired green to almost greyish tones. The tea green padded mesh upper is overlaid by a slightly darker sage green suede. WTAPS branding can be seen under the bossed lateral heel on both insoles as well as the heel. The subtle elevated details like the branding is rubberized on the reflective hits. It's a nice touch, like literally. I also like the few leather hits have a snakeskin accent, which sits well with the neon green rubber Abzorb excerts flanking the heel for that reptilic venomous feel. On feet, I recommend staying true to size. The Abzorb 2010 fits nicely. Slightly snug compared to the early 99X series, but not as narrow as models like the 1500 or the 997. I paired these with a North Face white tee, Marks & Spencer's chino trousers, and denim overshirts to show you how they look on feet. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment military to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? I'll be honest, 2025, I've not really been too interested in the New Balance collaborations, and I wasn't really planning on picking these up, but I was in N Clothing and I was just taking a look and they really caught my eye. Honestly, I feel like this review doesn't really show you how beautiful these colors look in person, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.